The carving stamp docker has 4 tabs at the top. Each tab lets you create something different. The default tab is Use Pattern. With this selection, you can use available stamps in the software to stamp a filled object. Carving stamps can be applied to satin outline objects and filled objects with satin, step, or fancy fill. There are several categories of stamps and many different types of stamps within each category. In addition, you can create your own stamp. When you select a stamp, a thumbnail appears in the preview box and Use Stamp becomes activated and is no longer grayed out. Click on Use Stamp and move the mouse over to set the stamp. Stamps are created with 2 left clicks. The first click is an anchor point, and then you can rotate the stamp and click again. If no object is selected, the stamp can be applied to any object. Press the Escape button on your keyboard to deactivate the stamp. If one or more objects are selected, stamps will only be applied to the selected objects. So if you have overlapping objects and want the stamp applied only to one of those objects, select the object that you want to apply the stamp to. Select your stamp and set the stamp with 2 left clicks. You can see that the object was only applied to the selected object. Press Escape to deactivate the stamp and deselect the object. If you wish to enlarge a stamp, hold down the Shift key as you click and drag. If you hold the Control key down as well, the stamp will be kept on plane. Click to set the stamp and press Escape to deactivate the stamp.